Merry Christmas to each and everyone. Here's my little Christmas tree. Lit, guys. Yan lang siya. That's all. At yan lang din ang Christmas spirit ko. There you go. I just put up my little Christmas tree. Nice and beautiful. Cute lang. I've got here coin chocolates and real chocolate and balls. Just for fun lang. Para madaling alisin after. That's all. It was dark. And I've got my chocolate. This my chocolates. Just for fun. Nakabaraday. Sorry for the mess. Messy. That's my kitchen. Our kitchen. So chocolates and chocolates. $1. Yan $1. Sabit natin. Yun lang.